depths of night she fell, broke by hands that cast a spell. Men who thought they'd always win, now she rises, takes their skin. In the shadow she would roam, witch's heart a sharpened stone. Found the ones who did her wrong, now they face her haunting song. She'll make them scream her name. Whispers curl around their fear, endless nights they feel her near. Justice like a rising tide, none can run and none can hide. Once she knew the taste of pain, now it's theirs to feel the rain. Every breath a ghostly blade, in a curse they've been read.